Righto, today we're here on the mid-north coast up near Port Macquarie. We've got a section of bush there, about 11 hectares, that needs to be surveyed for koalas. And what we're going to do now, it's still obviously too hot for doing a thermal survey, so I'm going to do a daytime mapping mission so that we can get a DSM, digital surface model, so that'll make it a safer flight tonight or in the wee hours of the morning when the ambient temperature has dropped and the body heat of the wildlife will pop, and hopefully we'll be able to see if there's any koalas in there. So this first flight is going to be quite quick and at quite a high altitude, just to give us a model, ground model, and then later on we can do the proper koala survey later. So that's the plan. Can't you read the sign? Hey? You gotta stay our way. Well, good morning. It's a brisk 4 degrees here on the mid-north coast. It's the 30th of July, and it's a follow-up survey from yesterday's, where we're going to survey a section of forest over there for koalas and see what other critters we can find. Yeah, so it's very calm. We've got a highway off to your right there, and we're using the DJI Matrice 4T for this mission, and yeah, let's see what we can see. Okay. Just pause there for a sec.
Flight route mission pause.
Looks like something there. It does. So what we're doing is we're doing the grid survey, and then anything we see we pinpoint, and we'll come back later and have a closer look at those pins with the ability to zoom up and use the IR illuminator, because in this mapping mode those features aren't available.
Flight route mission pause.
Let's drop a pin on that. Go too low on him just yet. Something there.
Aircraft flies to break point.
It's big. It's in the tree.
Flight mission complete. Return to home.
go investigate. So we've got like 4 points to go and look at.
Taking off.
Little birdie on a branch there. Okay, what are you? Oh, birdie, birdie. Okay, that is definitely not. Just for shits and giggles, what is that? Awesome. Okay, that's probably what it was.
Landing.
Alright, time check. Time is 20 past 5. Alright, it's about 5:30 in the morning. Yep, 5:30 in the morning now. A bit chilly, thumbs are cold, but all good. Nothing was spotted other than a few possums in trees. I thought we saw a couple of gliders scampering up trees, but they turned out to be possums. So no koalas. So now it's a case of packing up. I'll probably review the footage and just double check anything there that I may have missed. So yeah, packing up time.